Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We are in wonderful Wallaceburg. We got a great client today that's allowed us to redo their roof. Now, in this situation, they had a fire in the building, so the contractor removed, the GC removed all the roof, put new sheeting, as you can see, that was done by a different contractor, and stripped the walls for us. So it's pretty straightforward for us. We have an existing wood deck, recently installed. We have a block wall on the perimeters. We need to membrane and tie in. And we're also going to do a termination bar on the block wall. Sure, it looks like we got an eavestrough, nicely sloped to the back. We got an eavestrough. So there we go. It's roughly about 2,000 square feet or so, and we will go from there. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal, I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Oh, we finished the day. It's a bit long. We got all the base sheet down. Go ahead and take a look. So now what we had a brand new substrate where you saw. We primed it and put the base sheet. We got the flashings underneath the old through wall flashings. You don't want to rip them out because that actually ties the two roofs together from your neighbor here. So there we go. We got terracotta stone that's cast in place, so it's set there. You don't want to move that. You don't want to shift that around, so you got to work with what you have. We also have a roof on that side where we have the membrane from the other roof wrapped entirely over. So you got to watch your details, make sure they tie it nicely. We have the base sheet down. Time to put the cap sheet. We'll sure it looks like tomorrow. Thank you. Just finished a job out in Wallaceburg. Wonderful client. They allowed us to come in and do the roof for them. This was an interesting job. They had a fire in the facility, so everything was gutted. The roof had to be removed for structural work and stuff. So there you go. Take a look. We put on a brand new 2-ply modified bitumen roof, overlapped it, welded the seams, tucked our new flashing detail through the existing terracotta stone, and had to tie all this together. We used a termination bar on the concrete because that's the only thing that's going to hold that membrane up. So we have tap cons, new termination bar holding this membrane up. We put attic vents in this roof because there's an unconditioned airspace. When the living space is conditioned, unconditioned airspace, you have a tendency for condensation and rot. You have to vent your roof. So we put 3 vent stacks. Now this is going to circulate and move the air inside their attic. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in Southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.